I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me?
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like
Look how
love is raining
cute.
on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
I got the sauces, the very last two sauces.
Hi friends, today is Wednesday. We're gonna make the pepper lunch beef. What do you call that? You know what I mean. It's a dish from Pepper Lunch. Was looking at recipes online and I found one. I found a good one. We're gonna make it, but a pork version, not a beef. Anyways, we have leftover rice from 1-2 days ago. So I need pork, onion, garlic, and butter. And we're gonna need corn. It has to be cooked, so I'm gonna use butter to cook it. Let's use this pan. We're gonna make the amakuchi sauce. Okay, so that's 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1/4 cup soy sauce, and 1/4 cup honey. Here's our dinner made by me. I'm so proud of myself. I'm going to see Ate April before she leaves for the Philippines.
Going to the mountain.
What? Did you just call that your baby? Fit check.
Huh?
Hi friends, we're gonna go hiking today. I ran out of white socks, so I'm gonna use... Ta-da! Look at the corgi, it's so cute. Are you ready? I'm ready. Look at that G-Wagon for you. It's 4x4 squared and 4x4, 4x4. Hi everyone, we're here. You're probably gonna recognize this place from my previous vlog.
Straight.
Here?
Straight.
Oh, okay. I'm going straight. Why can't we just go through the path?
Because it's very steep and it's not quite safe. You need to be specially prepared. At least not with your white shoes.
But look at my white shoes. Where are we going?
baby walking in the forest, not in her natural habitat.
What's my natural habitat?
I don't know, the city center.
Oh, it's so pretty. Are we there yet?
Babe, stop, I just started.
Huh?
Where did you get that from? You found it in the forest?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
This girl will be screaming.
I'm tired.
Hungry and tired.
Thirsty. You're barely holding.
Someone's getting a free ride. I will start to tumble. I'm starting to tumble.
Okay.
Oh, look here. It
Wait,
looks
I'm falling.
like a good slope.
Wait.
It looks like a good slope. Let's.
No. That was a good ride. Thanks.
Bayat.
Bayad po. I see the light, joke. Joke, practice lang. Hindi tayo magda-drive. I don't know how to drive. There's my driver. Hi. Where are we going? Why? What happened?
Literally unlock the door,
Yeah.
open it this much, and stiff handed me my cup.
Oh yeah. We're going to the mall today. It's Sunday. We're gonna get some things done. I am done with my part today. I have work to do though. I have to edit my client's video and then I should be good to go. We're going home. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
There's no